Okay guys, so this is one of the link you can see. So I'm going to show you the multiple emails on a single page, that how you can register with a single request. Even if you want to register 10, these are the emails I have just collected. So let me put one of the email, right, and entering my password. So now what I will do, I will just make sure my intercept is on. I will just create an account, and this request has been captured. Let's see. Here it is, but it's coming from host google.com, right? So what I will do, I will just forward this request, and I will check whether I'm getting, yeah, so now I'm getting from molly.com, right? So here is the email ID you can see here, which I just entered there. And what I will do, I will just make sure that I will send it to intruder and go in the positions, just clear all the things and select only the email ID one. So I'm going to select email ID one, right, and just click on add. So I need to click on add button, then make sure that you have attack type sniper and go in the payload section and load your whole. So these are the email list I have already collected. Okay, so Java is coming. Okay, so these are the emails which I have collected, and you can see there is nothing, no email we received till now. So I'm going to load it from I have already made a document, text document, so with the name of mail.txt. Okay, great. So these are the emails. Now I'm going to start the attack. So those who have succeeded, the 302 is telling that these are the emails already has been registered, and the 201 is telling that it's newly registered. Now you can see here 200, there are 3 200, right, and rest of them are already registered. So let me check that how so we get to know that, yeah, there is a vulnerability, because there we were registering only one email, right, but here we get to know that, yeah, there is multiple on the same time. We have discovered this vulnerability, and we received it multiple times. See here, 3 times we have received. Okay, here we didn't receive 302 maybe. Okay, here it is 41, right? So there is a vulnerability. There is a vulnerability, I can say. And which one? Let me show you. Let me open Notepad. Okay, let me just zoom my screen, right, so that you can check it. So that's a multiple email, right, registered on a single time, right? No rate limit vulnerability, right? So this is the no rate vulnerability which you can see. Now let me show you something more about this, that how we will you can say how we are going to. Okay, so let me just open another thing, right? So here you can see there is a responsible disclosure of this one, and what I have done, I have already reported this. I am going to show you that how I reported all the things. And yeah, so we have to need to report here, and I have reported it very well. And apart from this, I just want to show you my document, that how I made one of the things that okay, vulnerability, yeah, vulnerability report. So guys, it will be much better if you just click all the you can say already make that reports. That will be much better for you. Okay, why it is not clicking? Okay, great. So you can see, so I have given the vulnerability name note, because that also I just got to know that forget password also, it is also present on forget password. Vulnerable URL is this, step to reproduce this, and make sure that uh, your working is should be shown here. See here, I have written lots of impact on what will be the impact on organization, what is the mitigation and POC. I have attached everything there. So let me show you the email where I have sent. See here, I have already sent to this email, correct? And hope soon we'll get a request. I hope guys you get to know that how you can get to know the vulnerabilities on a registration page, and you can register multiple emails on a single time if there is a no rate vulnerability, correct? So that's it from my side, and we will meet in the next video. We'll do again live hunting. Bye bye, take care. Okay friends, so in the last video we have checked about that Molly one. Now let's discover this one, Vendera. So I have just opened it and let me show you this. It looks like that and it have a reporting vulnerability, so we can report here, and it has a responsible disclosure. These are the things which is out of scope, so we will not try this one. So I'm showing a no rate limit on their registration page. So here it is a username password, so just click on no, not yet a customer. So we got this one, request a demo something, right? So we are not having that much sign up page here, but there is a email ID which we can do something here, right? So let's do something here and let's see that whether uh, uh, 10 email or 5 emails at a single time they sent a mail or not. So let me check about that one. Okay, so is it something going on? Let's reload this. Taking time. Great. So we have these emails, you can see here, right? And we will put down those emails at a single time and we'll see whether it is working or not. So if it will be having some vulnerability, then we will report it. So let me copy this one. Okay, now I'm going here, intercept is on. Okay, forward. I don't want this, come on. Okay, great. Okay, something we have. Okay, your first name, last name, job title, company, your email, phone number, and country. That's cool. Okay, we didn't click on that book on demo, right? So what we will do, we will fill up all that details. So cyber sac, live job title is uh, security analyst, right? Company cybersec live, your email ID, phone number. Let's give any of the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Let's see. Okay, number is not that one, but okay, so we will not give the number. India. Great. Okay, now we will click on that book on demo. Intercept is on. Forward, forward, forward. Now make it book now demo. Okay, great. So now we have what? Yeah, now we have that email ID, right? What we will do, we will just right click and send to intruder. Go in the intruder positions, clear all the things, and only select the email ID. So just add it, and we'll go in the payloads, load all the email ID whatever you have. So I have only that much. Start attack. So let's see what happened. Okay, see here we are getting 200 requests. Okay, great. I think we have done it. Let's check it. I think there is a vulnerability. Let's refresh it. Sorry, let's refresh. If it is showing 200, then it should be come here. Refresh. Are we getting nothing? How it is possible? Refresh inbox. Okay. Okay, great. So here we got, right? We got the Vendera marketing email here. Right here, I think still it is loading. Okay, here is as well. We didn't got. Not a problem. It's taking time, man. Okay, sorry. Okay, see here. We can see here that we registered with this email ID, right? We registered with this email ID. We didn't get the email here till now, but we got for this one. We got for this one, right? So it is showing that there is a vulnerability. because we are giving some other email initially and it is showing something else. Not a problem, right guys? So we have successfully checked that there is a vulnerability, no rate of vulnerability, and might be there is some issue in these websites, but we get to know that yeah, there is a one of the email which is already registered, this one, correct? So what we will do, we will check the forget password here, whether they have or something or not. So let me check that as well. So before that, you can see here that we already have got to know status 200 means it is success. If it wasn't success, then there should be 429, correct? So what we will do, we will just click here and we are going to proxy forward. Intercept is off. Okay, great. So number of devices, UAM, these are the different things. Okay, so what we will do, we will just go here, login. Okay, see here, now we are getting these emails. Sorry, still we didn't get here. Not a problem, we got on the two emails, right? So it is there is a vulnerability of no rate limit. One, two, only two, right? Not a problem, not a big deal. Let's see if we are getting something. Forget password, email, right? And just intercept is on. Okay, before interceptor is on, just click on reset password. Check your email. You should receive the email within 15 seconds. So this is one of the main problem with that website, that they are telling that we will need to wait for that much time. So it's taking time, guys, but I hope you are understanding the concept. That's nothing else, correct? So okay, let me just back to sign in. uh, okay, sorry, forgot password, click here and intercept is on, reset password. Okay, we got this, send to intruder, and in the intruder just click here. Okay, clear all the things, just click here, add, right? Go in the payload section, choose the numbers from 1 to 1111. Okay, start attack. Let's see, we are getting 429 or not. No, we are not getting, so it's a 200 status code, right guys? So you can see, if I can, okay, let's reload. Okay, but the status code is showing that 200, it means it is success. Maybe something is happening at the their server side, maybe, right? So that's the things, guys. I hope you understood the logic behind that, how we can do the rate no rate limit attack. Okay, thanks guys, bye bye, take care, we will meet in the next video. Okay guys, so let's check a no rate limit on this Peter England website. So I'm just going to register and I will see whether there is some no rate limit or not. So I just checked that and I think there is. So let me show you. Okay, click on next and see here if anything is happening. Check all the details very carefully and let's forward it and let's see what is happening here. Okay, so I'm forwarding. Okay, so it is asking for the more details, right? So I'm going to give my name, right? Here is my name and let me give any example, an email ID. Okay, let me give this one, right? So and let's give the password anything. Okay, right. So now what I will do, they're telling to sending the OTP, correct? And so here let me on the intercept and click on send OTP. So I want to check whether I will get the if I will set any number, let's say 100, then will I get those OTP or not. So if those OTP is going, it means 200 code should be there. So I'm forwarding it to intruder. Here it is the intruder, and in the position section, let's go in the position section, clear all the things, and you can see except language. So here I want to set the payload, right? Now what I will do, so go in the payload section, click on this one, numbers 1, and let's say up to 100, right? So I don't want my number as a spam, I mean email bombing, sorry, SMS bombing. So let's just start the attack and we will see whether it's 200 or not. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so now you can see 200 200, all the success code is 200 200 200. And see, you can listen, each and every message is coming on in my mobile. So all the 100 messages will come now, right? So I can't show you on that screen, so that's why I just okay, let me stop this. Minus sign, do not disturb. Okay, so now it is not coming. Okay, again it's still coming and not, it is not completed the 100 one. Okay, so there is a no rate limit, you can see here 100 message. God sake, my mobile is now bombing. Good. So here is a no rate limit and I'm going to report this. So I hope you guys understand that how you can send the OTP messages also with no rate limit. So thanks a lot. Bye bye, take care.